Hey guys, it's Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new Lorac High Res Lip and Cheek Powder. So if you're interested in seeing me apply this, the swatch, hear my review of it, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. When I first saw that this product had launched, I was really intrigued by it because I've tried like the Bite Beauty multi-stick where you can use it on your cheeks and your lips. I think you can actually use it on your eyes as well, but it's a cream in a stick, and this is a powder. I've never used a powder on my lips before, so I was really excited to try it out. It retails for $19 and they come in 6 shades. This is the shade Graffitied, and it is a deep peach shade. And then on the Ulta website, it says, embrace your inner modern artist with the swipe of your favorite Lorac Los Angeles high-res lip and cheek powder. A weightless, highly pigmented, dual-purpose powder in fresh modern colors. This innovative formula provides unstoppable color for all-day wear. To open up the packaging, you just twist it open, and then this is almost spring-loaded. And you just pick this up. You have a sponge applicator on this side, and then the rest of the product is actually in the bottom of the cap. So you can dip this sponge back in to get more product. I've noticed after a few uses that I actually have to twist it to get the product at the bottom of the cap, and then twist it back and you have more product on your cap. So like I said, this is the shade Graffitied, and it's a deep peach. So that's one swipe. You can smudge it out and just apply more product. It does pack quite a bit of product into the sponge. So let's jump into the demo of me actually applying this. Basically, I read online how to do it just so that I made sure I was doing it right. And basically, you can either swipe or dot this onto the areas that you want, and then you blend it out with your finger. And as you can see, I was having some issues blending it out on my skin and just applying it in general. It was applying pretty patchy. It was hard to get, you know, a decent amount of pigment but in the right areas, and then also kind of blending it out was a little bit more difficult. And then I put it on my lips, and it applied to my lips super easily. I thought that it was like the most easy thing to apply ever. And it's not a super precise tip, but it didn't really need to be, I guess, for this formula. I really liked applying it to my lips. So this is what it looks like after you apply it both to your cheeks and your lips. I actually really like the end result. I think that like the monochromatic look of either doing like your eyes and lips the same or your cheeks and lips the same, I really like that look sometimes. I didn't enjoy applying this to my cheeks at all. So for that, I don't know that I would continue to use it. I have other colors that are similar to this, and as far as like traveling or something like that, it's not hard for me to travel with a blush. So it's not like I get to like eliminate taking a foundation or something somewhere. I think that, I don't know, traveling with a blush is no big deal. And then applying it to the lips, it was super easy to apply, but this does not last on me all day, and it's a little bit drying. So for me personally, I don't think that this product is worth it. I think that there are so many other products from Lorac that you could get. The Color Source blushes from Lorac are amazing. I cannot recommend them enough. I actually just did a video on their Sun-Kissed Glow collection, which I'll link up here and down below. And I loved the blush in there. I think that it was absolutely stunning. And it lasted all day. It was pigmented, creamy, buttery, like blended like a dream. So I would recommend that blush from them all the time. And then they also have some amazing lip products. I've tried their Alter Ego glosses, which are really good. And not only that, but there's tons of drugstore products. If you want a matte lip, there's tons of drugstore brands that will give you a matte lip for less money, and it will actually stay all day. All in all, this was a bit of a miss for me. There are so many amazing products from Lorac that are much better than this one, in my opinion. So for me, I would say save your money and buy something else from Lorac that's great, or from the drugstore or whatever other brand you want to try. But yeah, this was just a miss for me. Alrighty guys, that is everything for this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you've tried this out and you love it. Let me know how you applied it or how it worked for you. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I do think that you could add a gloss over the lip product to maybe make it last longer or make it more comfortable. But other than that, I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this, or if you are planning on trying it out. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.